take a listen to this. Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI, and I have got such a beautiful accessory to any garden or outdoor space, and it's this beautiful rain drum from REGIS. Now, I'm a sucker for a spring rain, and this rain drum is the perfect accessory for a cozy, windows open, cup of tea, soft rain kind of moment. It sounds like soothing wind chimes as the water drops fall. This came very nicely packaged. It came with its own carrying case, a music book, 2 mallets with a mallet rest, finger picks, and numbered stickers in case you need to replace them. I was also impressed by the durability of this. I've left it outside, plus I'm learning to play on it, so I've kind of put it through some abuse and it shows no signs of wear. I love that this is perfect for beginners on the steel drum. I have absolutely no musical talent, but I still found it so soothing to learn how to play the different songs on this drum. So if you're looking for something interactive to help you relax after a long day, or you just want to add a little whimsy to a passing rainstorm, then I think you're going to love this rain drum as much as I do. And that's my point of view.